I'm going to do some winter sowing. I got a lot of these large nursery cans that I'm going to fill up today, put plastic over the top. We're going to plant some seeds in them. My first layer is going to be the broken down wood chips. Second layer is going to be rabbit bedding. Top layer is going to be very wet potting soil. We're going to stick it all in here. Seeds go on top. Plastic goes on top with holes, and then you got to secure it down with twine or duct tape. Now we're ready for seeds and plastic. All of these are blanket flower. Okay, so we're going to put our blanket flower in this section. So I need to cut here and there. Duct tape it all the way around. We're going to put holes at the top. Okay, I duct taped it down. Now we're going to have the greenhouse effect, and you can still get the water in. Let me go get a label, a marker to write on this. You don't want a Sharpie, they fade. Blanket flower layered on March 16th. 2 done. 4 done. We still have lots of night temps under 50. Probably for a good month or more, you can still winter sow. Look at that. Who wouldn't want to be out here? Oh, bring on the sunshine.